Eight fantastic reasons to start your day with warm turmeric water. Turmeric comes from the root of the curcumin plant. It has a tough brown skin, deep orange flesh, and it works great in the kitchen to spice up your dishes with a warm and peppery flavor. Turmeric is known for its strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It's been used for centuries to naturally treat a variety of ailments. The secret to turmeric's healing properties lies within its main ingredient, curcumin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antifungal and antibacterial that works wonders on the body. Turmeric is arguably one of the most beneficial spices, making turmeric water one of the most medicinal beverages you can consume. To prepare it, just add some turmeric to warm water and stir well. The spice. Drinking turmeric water every morning will provide you with these 8 amazing health benefits. 1. Relieves arthritis. A study published in the Oncogene journal found turmeric to be a more effective anti-inflammatory than common anti-inflammatory drugs including aspirin, ibuprofen, sulindac, phenylbutazine, naproxen, indomethacin, dexamethasone, celecoxib, tamoxifen, and diclofenac, which is often used to treat swelling and pain in the joint. 2. Improves digestion. Turmeric can be used to help treat a variety of digestive problems, including digestive tract inflammation, and it helps with the reduction of gas and bloating. Regular use of turmeric enhances digestion by stimulating the release of bile. 3. Protects the liver. Studies suggest that turmeric may help to improve liver function by increasing its ability to detox. It's also been shown to help reduce free radical damage, protecting the cells and tissues. Turmeric aids in reducing liver injury caused by alcohol, iron overdose, liver disease, high toxicity levels and cirrhosis. 4. Supports a healthy brain. Researchers have found that curcumin plays a role in improving Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's and even stroke damage. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can work to promote brain health, lowering oxidative stress. 5. Alkalizes the body to protect against cancer. Turmeric is highly alkaline, so it has a positive effect on the body. An alkaline environment is believed to be unsuitable for the development of cancer, as cancer cells thrive best in an acidic environment. 6. Aids in cardiovascular health. Curcumin has been shown to discard plaque deposits in the arteries to prevent blood clots. The antioxidant effects are believed to help prevent diabetic cardiovascular complications. 7. Protects against aging. While aging is inevitable, turmeric helps the body to age gracefully. Curcumin inhibits the activity of free radicals and prevents inflammation in the body, which are 2 of the most important factors in healthy aging. Regular consumption helps 8. Reverses type 2 diabetes. Research has shown that turmeric may be the ideal drug alternative for treating and perhaps even preventing type 2 diabetes. Studies have found that curcumin is capable of lessening effects of the disease, such as elevated blood sugar and insulin resistance. Thanks for watching, and we really hope you find this video helpful, and please share your friends and